Yeah. A bird. A bird. Ew. And Mia.
Who's that?
Charlie. Mia.
Charlie.
Charlie.
She gets so serious, doesn't she? Hi, Charlie. Hi, little bean.
Hey, hello.
Are you coloring? She's so concentrated. And,
Hey, Abby, here. Mommy.
hi, Abby.
Look, Mommy.
Look, Charlie, that's beautiful. You colored the eyes so perfect.
Abby did.
You see Mia? Hi, Mia.
Mia.
Well, you can't see it if it's pointed that way, silly.
Me.
Here, look, we can watch Charlie.
What time?
Charlie, can you say hi?
Hi.